I was a cop for about 8 years. I can tell you right now, the most valuable thing you can ever have is video. Video. It's undisputed, it's unbiased, it will win a case every time, period.
Say a big thanks to LINGDU for sending out this camera. Sending it out was stress-free, and I'm pretty impressed with this camera. The footage on it is awesome. I'm sincerely impressed. I will do some update videos over time, and who knows, maybe I'll finally get to prove this big buck I see running around every morning. Should be able to catch him right out this view right here. He comes off these power lines right on this camera. Hopefully we'll catch him soon.